Hello everyone, I am Zayan. Welcome to my channel My Fun Heart. Today's topic is amazing facts about the solar system. So let's get started. What is a solar system? The solar system is the sun and all the bodies that orbit around it. The planets, their moons, the asteroids, comets and other chunks of rock, ice and dust. What is an orbit? Orbit is the path of a planet or other object around the sun. What makes day and night? The spinning of the earth makes day and night. When one side of the earth faces the sun, it's daytime on that side. When that side turns away from the sun, it's night. Why are spaceships launched with rockets? Spaceships cannot just fly into outer space. They need rockets to break free from the powerful grip of the earth's gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is the force that pulls objects towards the center of the earth. What makes the moon shine? The moon does not make any light of its own. The moonlight we see from earth is really the light from the sun. It hits the moon and bounces off the way light is reflected from a mirror. Which star do we see only in daytime? That's easy, the sun. How big is the sun? Sun measures more than 1 million kilometers across. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. How hot is the sun? At the center of the sun, the temperature is about 15 million degrees Celsius. The sun is so hot that it heats the planets that are millions of kilometers away from it. Why is Mercury like a dead sun-baked planet? There is no water and hardly any air on Mercury. Why are Venus clouds yellow? Earth's clouds are white because they are made of water vapor. Venus clouds are made mostly of a deadly yellow poison called sulfuric acid. Why is it so hot on Venus? Venus' atmosphere has a lot of carbon dioxide gas in it. Carbon dioxide acts like a blanket to hold the heat in. Why aren't Mars' moons round? Large moons are round because of their gravity. The moons of Mars are so small that they don't have enough gravity to be round. Why is Mars red? Mars looks red because there is a lot of rusty iron in its soil. The sky looks pinkish because of the red dust in the air. What are the inner planets? The inner planets are 4 planets closest to the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are all hard and rocky. What is asteroid belt? The area between the inner and the outer planets is called the asteroid belt. It's filled with thousands and thousands of asteroids. What are asteroids? Asteroids are chunks of rock and metal in orbit around the sun. They may be building blocks of a planet that never formed, or they could be pieces of planets that broke apart. How big is Jupiter? Jupiter is so big that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. How many moons does Jupiter have? Jupiter has estimated 63 moons. What is Jupiter's great red spot? The red spot is probably a huge storm of swirling gas that lasted for over 100 years. What are Saturn's rings? Saturn's rings are made of ice, rock and dust, all in orbit around the planet. There are thousands of rings around Saturn. Why is Saturn called the floating planet? Saturn is made of materials that are lighter than water. If there were a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float in it. What makes Uranus look blue? Methane gas in the atmosphere makes Uranus look blue. How is Uranus a tipped over planet? Uranus spins differently from other planets. It seems to be lying on its side compared to most other planets in the solar system. How long is a year on Uranus? A year is the time it takes for a planet to go all around the Sun. Uranus and Neptune are so far away from the Sun that they have very long years. 1 year on Uranus is 84 Earth years. 1 year on Neptune is 165 Earth years. Which is the last of the giant gas planets? It's Neptune. Is Pluto a real planet? People used to call Pluto a planet. Then scientists saw a lot of small bodies beyond Pluto. They are called Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs for short. Now scientists call Pluto a KBO or Plutoid. What is beyond our solar system? There are billions and billions of stars. There are so many stars and they are so far away that our minds cannot even imagine it. Some of those stars appear to have planets. So these were some of the amazing facts about the solar system. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, share and click the notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Bye!